Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. I am so glad to meet you all again for another episode of Vachanamrita, The Silver Lining. So without wasting much time, let me start with the Vachanas. The first Vachana that I'll be telling you today was written by Basavanna. Let me first tell the Vachana in Kannada and later I will translate it into English and I will also explain the meaning in English. ದೇವಲೋಕ ಮರ್ತ್ಯಲೋಕವೆಂಬುದು ಬೇರಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿರಣ್ಣ. ಸತ್ಯವನುಡಿವುದೇ ದೇವಲೋಕ, ಮಿಥ್ಯವನುಡಿವುದೇ ಮರ್ತ್ಯಲೋಕ. ಆಚಾರವೇ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ, ಅನಾಚಾರವೇ ನರಕ. ನೀವೇ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. Now let me translate this into English. ದೇವಲೋಕ ಮರ್ತ್ಯಲೋಕವೆಂಬುದು ಬೇರಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿರಣ್ಣ. Divine world and mortal world are not separate. ಸತ್ಯವನುಡಿವುದೇ ದೇವಲೋಕ. Uttering truth is the divine world. ಮಿಥ್ಯವನುಡಿವುದೇ ಮರ್ತ್ಯಲೋಕ. Uttering untruth is mortal world. ಆಚಾರವೇ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ. Righteousness is heaven. ಅನಾಚಾರವೇ ನರಕ. Unrighteousness is hell. ನೀವೇ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. This is the truth and you are the witness for this, O ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. Now let me tell you the meaning of this Vachana. So what this Vachana means is that the divine world or the heaven is not different from the mortal world where we are living in today. Saying truth itself is considered as heaven and saying lies itself will be considered as a mortal world. Doing the right things or righteousness itself is heaven and doing wrong things and the things which Lord Shiva will not be pleased of itself is hell. Basavanna also says that this is the ultimate truth and the witness for this truth is Kudala Sangama Deva himself, that is Lord Shiva. The second Vachana that I am going to tell you today was also written by Basavanna. Let me tell this in Kannada first and then I will later translate it into English. ಲೋಕದ ಡೊಂಕ ನೀವೇಕೆ ತಿದ್ದುವಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತನುವ ಸಂತೈಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನವ ಸಂತೈಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆರೆಮನೆಯ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ಅಳುವವರ ಮೆಚ್ಚ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. Now let me translate this to English. ಲೋಕದ ಡೊಂಕ ನೀವೇಕೆ ತಿದ್ದುವಿರಿ. Why attempt to mend the crookedness of this world? ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತನುವ ಸಂತೈಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Console your body. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನವ ಸಂತೈಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Console your mind. ನೆರೆಮನೆಯ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ಅಳುವವರ ಮೆಚ್ಚ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. Those who weep for the neighbor's sorrow will never be appreciated by Kudala Sangama Deva. Now let me tell you the meaning of this Vachana. In today's world, we see a lot of people who are criticizing others and who are criticizing in such a way that they really want to correct somebody else's mistake. So this Vachana is addressing all those people who are trying to do this. It says, why do you want to correct this crookedness in this world? Why do you want to correct others' mistake? The reason why you want to do this criticism or to correct somebody is because you are disappointed in your own life. So that is why Basavanna says, instead of correcting others' mistake or instead of criticizing others, we should comfort our own body. And we should heal our own body and our own mind. And Basavanna also says that Lord Shiva doesn't like a person who cries for others' sorrow and he will never appreciate or bless such a person. In other words, Lord Shiva doesn't like the people who try to correct others by criticizing others. And such people will never get the blessings of Lord Shiva. So this finishes today's episode. I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.